NFTs, digital ownership in the metaverse. You hear about NFTs everywhere, right? But what are they? Imagine a digital certificate of ownership for something on the internet. That's an NFT. It stands for non-fungible token. Fungible means interchangeable, like a 10-pound note for another 10-pound note. But non-fungible means unique and irreplaceable. Think of the Mona Lisa. There's only one original. You can buy a print, but it's not the real deal. NFTs are like owning that original, but in the digital world. This could be a piece of digital art, a music track, or even virtual real estate in a video game. NFTs use blockchain technology, which is like a secure digital ledger. This ensures authenticity and makes it almost impossible to counterfeit. So when you own an NFT, you have proof that you own the original digital asset. It's like having a digital signature from the artists themselves. Blockchain. The tech behind the hype. Okay, let's break down this blockchain thing. Imagine a giant online spreadsheet shared with everyone. Every time an NFT is created or sold, it's recorded on this spreadsheet. This record is called a block. Each block is linked to the previous block, creating a chain, hence the name blockchain. This makes the information very secure. Think of it like a digital vault where each transaction is permanently recorded and viewable by anyone. Now, this blockchain isn't stored in one place. It's copied across a network of computers worldwide. So, if someone tries to tamper with it, everyone else knows. This makes NFTs incredibly difficult to fake or steal. It's like trying to rob a bank that's guarded by 1 million people. NFTs in action. Art, music, and more. NFTs are making waves in the creative world. Artists are selling their digital artwork directly to collectors, cutting out the middleman. Musicians are releasing limited edition tracks and albums as NFTs, giving fans exclusive access and experiences. Remember the first ever tweet by Twitter founder Jack Dorsey? Someone bought it as an NFT for a whopping $2.9 million. This shows the potential value and collectability of NFTs. Imagine owning a piece of internet history. And it's not just art and music. Video game companies are using NFTs to create unique in-game items, like rare weapons or skins. This allows players to truly own their digital assets and even trade them with others. It's like owning a piece of your favorite game. The future of NFTs. Challenges and opportunities. NFTs are still new, and there are challenges to address. Some people worry about the environmental impact of blockchain technology, as it can require a lot of energy. Others are concerned about speculation and the potential for scams. But the potential of NFTs is huge. They could change how we own and value digital assets. Imagine concert tickets, property deeds, or even medical records stored securely on the blockchain as NFTs. The future of NFTs is wide open. As the technology evolves and becomes more sustainable, we can expect to see even more innovative uses emerge. NFTs could revolutionize how we interact and transact in the digital world. So, buckle up, because the NFT train is just leaving the station.